Welcome back. We're talking about the taxable value of your estate today. So let's bring in our legal expert, Danielle, to break this all down for us. So why is this such an important topic to talk about today?
Well, we have a window of time between now and December 31st where if we haven't taken advantage of the gift tax exclusion, we can still do that. But when people are evaluating whether or not they want to take advantage of that, oftentimes they're looking at the value of their estate, and what I find is people undervalue their estate all the time.
Okay, so let's talk about that a little bit. What are some examples of assets that people may be surprised about that may be going into why they don't value it as high?
One of the big ones is life insurance. Most people don't realize the death benefit of their life insurance is included in their estate. So that can really bump it up. I know I met with clients the other day and they were like, what are you talking about? We never knew that. In addition to any private insurance, you may have insurance through your employer. But beyond that, 401ks and IRAs are included before income taxes are taken out. So that bumps things up. And then we also have fair market value of real estate, as well as any business interests or personal collections you may have, like jewelry or coins or stamps.
Is there a place where all this information is housed, or is it best for people to speak with a legal expert?
Well, of course, I'm going to say it's best to speak with a legal expert. No surprise there. I think people should also talk to their financial advisor, because beyond knowing the value of your estate, there's a lot of strategies out there beyond the gift tax exclusion that people can take advantage of.
Yeah, and the tease earlier, I said, and decrease isn't such a bad thing. Are there ways you can decrease your estate by 2024, by the end of it?
Definitely the gift tax exclusion, which means that each of us can give away $18,000 a year to whoever we want. So we can take advantage of that. Beyond that, there's actually a lifetime exemption that each of us have, which is over $13 million right now, which sounds amazing. We should take advantage of it now, though, because in just over a year, that is set to sunset, which means it's going to decrease dramatically. Now, we're not exactly sure, because who knows politically what's going to happen, but right now we can expect that to be cut in about half.
And people don't have a lot of time to get this done, and it might be a little overwhelming. What are some first steps people should be taking right now?
Well, talk to that financial advisor as well as your estate planning attorney. Get an idea what you have. And I know a lot of people right now are thinking now's the time. We want to see those smiles on our grandkids' faces, write those checks, especially when you think about, do we want our money going to our family members or do we want it going to the government? So let's take advantage of this now, have those meetings with our professionals, and hopefully if we have an estate tax situation, take advantage of the laws to see some smiles.
That's so interesting and such great information, Danielle. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Lauren.